Hey there, Realtors! Want to up your game with eye-catching market trends posts? Let me show you how Canva can help you do just that. Imagine posting vibrant graphics that grab attention and make your audience say, "Wow, Canva is incredibly user-friendly. No graphic design experience needed." Start with a sleek template that suits your style. You can find templates specifically tailored for real estate. Think about showcasing home prices with a neat bar chart or pie chart. Highlight key market trends with icons and infographics. Need to display market statistics? Use Canva to create a visually appealing post with just a few clicks. Drag and drop elements, change colors to match your branding, and voila! You've got a professional-looking post ready to go. For instance, let's say you want to showcase the average home prices in different neighborhoods. Just use Canva's chart tool, input your data, customize the design, and you're done. It's that simple. Need more tips? Check out our videos on the EstateSnap Media YouTube channel. We've got tons of content that'll teach you how to create compelling posts that grow your audience and boost your business. Don't forget to visit estatesnap.org for even more insights and tools. And of course, like and follow us for more hot tips. So, what are you waiting for? Start creating stunning market trends posts with Canva today. Thanks for watching and happy posting.